Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Is that where we're going? Oh, okay, super. It sounds super. Anyway, good morning from San Francisco. Mom and Dad are going out for coffee. Aaron's hard at work. Well, no,
he has video game.
Well, that and uploading and producing, editing, doing all that other stuff for the videos. And we're going for coffee. Where are we going for coffee?
I don't know. Place over here.
Oh, okay. Anyway, it's gorgeous. Honey bear? Yeah, maybe that's originated here. Like the iconic, because imagine honey not... Oh, go ahead.
I've seen a honey bear at someone's window too.
Maybe it originated in San Francisco. Because when you think of a honey, like you're getting honey, it's supposed to be squeezed out of a bear. That is cool.
What is that?
I don't know.
We can sign up to fly to space.
Volunteers wanted. Everything is changing.org. Maybe it's a, like, maybe it's not legit, but it's still interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah. Anyway.
Everything is changing.org. Anyway.
We got coffee at Twisted Street. Sorry,
and avocado toast.
Sorry you didn't get video of us just relaxing on the patio, drinking our coffee, but I mean, I was drinking it, coffee, enjoying the patio, so.
You know, you like we're sipping our coffee because you pretty much have a full one.
Okay, well, it wasn't sugary enough. I needed to taste like my my ice cream. I want liquid ice cream, that's what I want. I don't know if the video can do justice to how big that thing is. It's about the size of an ostrich, I'm not exaggerating. I think it's an osprey, but I'm not going to say that any louder because I'm not that sure and I don't want to look like an idiot, but that's what I think it looks like. And that yellow thing, that's a crane. And look at the one next to it. Jeez Louise, that's not a crane. We were just drinking coffee over on that bench, looking at this thing, whatever it is. And now we're going to head back, see what a wave organ is, and then we'll head back to the room, pick up our son, and then we'll go that way. Oh, it's hilly. No, maybe we stay in the room. Oh, over there's some place. I don't know what that is. This is the back end of a citadel. I can't remember the name of it. The Seagull? Seagull? Anyway, it's beautiful. But I guess the Walt Disney Museum is nearby, so we'll explore it a little deeper tomorrow.
I think it was red buildings.
Buildings? It's in more than one building?
Well, I don't know. It's one of those red buildings. I think.
Well, either way, we'll come by here tomorrow, and we didn't show you footage of the wind organ because we didn't go to the wind organ. Wave organ. Because it was another 15-minute walk on the pier, and we don't have that kind of time. We have to get down to the wharf and the piers and Chinatown, and holy crap, I'm already getting stressed out. It's obviously old and faded, but that kind of gives it character, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because that game's fairly old. But it unintentionally has a really cool aesthetic. Walking down Lombard Street, probably all the way to the infamous stretch.
Is it horizon leveling?
Yeah, probably, yeah, so I won't give it. We did the practice hill.
Now it's time for the real thing.
Now time for the real thing.
Which doesn't even look like anything.
I know, because of the angle.
If I take a picture of you guys.
But we're standing straight up. Yeah, I could take a video of this, but it won't do the justice.
Take a video of me.
Well, here's a...
Maybe it will look weird.
Okay, well, walk better. Walk normal.
I don't walk anymore.
No, now you are. Here, catch up with Mom. Yeah, you're leaning forward like you would when you want to go faster on a bike. You can only park at a 90-degree angle because your car will slide down this hill. Wow, that's steep. That's insane. Woo. We're coming upon the most infamous hill in San Francisco, and we're climbing it like morons. Oh my gosh.
I'm standing right in front of you so I can take your picture.
That is pretty, it's worth it. Oh, well, or a video.
In front of me.
And we're not out of shape. We're in shape.
Well, kind of.
Kind of. I thought they turned this into a walkway, but no. They turned it into, or they kept it as a road, one way. You know what's funny?
Huh.
It's not as sharp as I thought it would be. I think you could do this.
I easily could do this.
Yeah. Well, I think I could do it even. It's not, I thought it was like you have to come to a stop and do a tight turn, like you're constantly in a trying to navigate a tight turn. I'm in a parking garage. That's fine, actually.
No, we'll look at it straight.
Yeah, I see it. Like right here. Keep on. Like if you look at it right from there.
Oh.
Now if it was a two-way street, that would be something. Or uphill, watch people in stick shift. Try to navigate it that way. Uphill. That should be a contest. We can go up the slowest. Well, I guess you just aim first gear. Anyway. Alright, one more look at Lombard before we leave. It's cool. A little overhyped, but cool. It's a pretty Catholic church. Here's a cool intersection. Cool BOA. Building. I'm sure the inside is just whatever. We are now in Little Italy, heading towards Chinatown.
It's like they're right next to me.
Yeah, well, yeah. Figured as much. It's another cool Catholic church. And we go pretty quickly from Italy into Chinatown.
It's like we're at Disneyland.
What? Oh, that's not Chinatown anymore. But that is all the walking down is. You know what's funny? I guess I'm used to Chicago's Chinatown, but it's a little different when the streets are wider. There's a different feel when it's a narrow street, although I'm glad it's not narrow here, it's pretty bustly. That look good. You know one thing I do like is for our Chinatown, it's tourist. This is functional. Not that ours is not functional, but this is a full-blown breathing city. Chinatown is just basically restaurant round. I don't like fish, so this doesn't sound appetizing, but I like looking at it. Live turtles and frogs are to be killed before leaving. I mean, I can't be too bleeding heart about that because I eat cows, and so it's a very fine line. I walk between my bleeding heart and my craving taste buds. I'm a walking contradiction, basically. But I think in some ways we all are. can cross.
I got confused.
Yeah, I think it's an all-way. I don't know if you can see it. That's cute. Put a little flare on the outdoor dining. Yeah, that's careful where you walk. Yeah, that's cool. That reminds me of Omega Mart.
Yeah, look at that. There's a portal on the big sign.
Yeah, you go through the frozen food section.
Yeah.
Today, these two groups, or these two players, must navigate the confusing streets of Chinatown, finding spot to get their next glow. Dim sum, all you can eat, $6. Wonder if that's their version of, no, not a China buffet, but, gosh, what's the other one? I'll just call it, Cracker Chef. Back uphill, yay. Say it again.
I'm lost.
Wow.
Look it.
I'm not lost, I know where I am. I'm in Chinatown.
We need to get here. Like right in front of it.
Yeah, and you say you'd make a great teammate.
Guess it's not here. Here, no, I found it.
Oh, okay. Yep, that's the place.
One. Well, whatever, it's really cute.
3-play toilet paper. Oh, that's pretty as well. I wonder what flag that is. Taiwanese? That would be controversial to fly in Chinatown. But I guess you can get away with it here. China is such an interesting country. In good and bad ways. Mostly bad, but it's an interesting. People, culture, good. Government, not so much. That's good. Bad about that. Wonder why they decided to do that. Yeah, kind of. Looks like apple?
Peach.
Peach. Ooh, peach, even better. Way better.
Alright, it's recording. We are doing a taste test today in Chinatown. And Jason, can you open it? We're trying a pink Kirby drink peach. He looks like Kirby. Oh, that's funny. The Pepsi logo is on it too. Did you see that?
No, he's taste testing.
Let me see the Pepsi logo. It's funny. And don't.
good.
It's a peach drink, it's good. It's mild.
Oh, I'm losing a cookie. Yeah, it's good. It almost tastes like the sparkling ice that I get, but without the carbonation.
Yeah, we made it quite far. That's the Transamerica building. It really hasn't felt like a long walk yet, has it?
No.
Yeah, no. We're walkers.
It's funny that people pay to like do
Yeah.
things like that.
I was gonna say, we're gonna walk San Francisco. It's gonna be a breeze. We got all the way over here and it's nothing.
I know. We walked all of Manhattan, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's true. We did take a... We took
Where's
a...
that church again?
Yeah, we took a subway once, but that was to get to the UN.
That was to get to Battery Park.
Yeah.
All the way down.
Then we
by-
walked back, though.
Did we?
Yep. Oops, sorry. Scientology. I'm kind of curious about it, but... I'm not that curious. Gotta watch what I say. Now we're back in Little Italy. Heading towards the piers and the wharfs. Well, the wharf is singular, I believe. Are we inside? Or are we outside? The answer is yes. What kind of food do you want? Do you want proper food? Sounds very pretentious.
Fancy it. Yes, I fancy it. Another Joe.
Or would you rather eat at Chipotle?
A Chipotle. I'd like to eat at Chipotle. The only
Crisscross.
thing. I think it might be. Because it kind of looks like.
It does. I don't see any. Maybe. Alright.
We just walked through the Embarcados.
Keep walking.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's the bay.
Yeah, and we're gonna go on that building.
The Bay Bridge. Ladies and gentlemen, a joke I'm not going to repeat. Yeah, it is neat. Alright. There's so many piers that we're going to be going towards. And there's some cool things on some of them, and I can't remember any of them. So hopefully you can. I like that, how the Bay Bridge, the lower bridge goes one way, the upper bridge goes the other. Oh, I just missed it. Thought I was going to go do it again and gong, but the bells rang for 12:30. It's a shame you can't smell it, but the Acme Bread Company, or Acme Bread, smells really good. My mom's picking up sourdough. Maybe something for me? Maybe, maybe not. But we're in, I don't know, just a little walk through. Teeny tiny farmer's market type thing. That's a great look at the bridge. The bridge is longer than I thought it would be. We're walking the wrong way, but that's okay. It's really neat they still do it like that. Uh-huh. Do you like it, buddy?
Yeah.
You like it? Good. How much does the butter cost?
A lot. But worth it. You want more butter?
This is the opposite color.
We are at the Exploratorium. Thank you very, very, very much, ASTC. You saved us 85 bucks. It's kind of cool that instead of English and Spanish, it's English and Chinese. Oh, there's Spanish. But in the front, it was just English and Chinese.
We're not even in the
No? I was wondering about that. I will try not to record too much unless we see something very interesting. What's that? That's neat.
They're changing it from left to right.
Wait, what's that? Rearrange Inky?
Here, I don't know.
There's a guy named Inky? Play Aaron press the button parts on lockers.
No. I'd probably be able to.
I know, I'm sure you would be able to, yeah. What do you see over there, Aaron? Do you see columns? Or do you see chess pieces? That's what I'm saying. Well, I meant, well, yeah. Maybe we should just go straight to eating and then look.
Are you hungry, Aaron?
Not early.
Put it at 200.
Yeah, get on exactly 200.
Look at the screen.
It's just a circle.
Keep it on the screen. Don't look at me shooting the mouse.
I'm doing both actually.
Oh, you can get Aaron's reflection. Whoa, hair pitch. Sounds nuts.
Oh, every.
The 300, yeah.
Hey, what about 200 and 300?
That's fine.
It stays still.
What about one? What about
100.
what about like the highest the scale goes? What about both of them the highest they go?
Oh, hear how high pitched it is? That's cool.
What if
I wonder if the video camera will pick it up. Does it look like it's growing?
Actually, it looks fine from here.
It doesn't look like it's
Well,
growing.
it's kind of going glitchy, but it's not from. It's from the light source, not from the flower. It's interesting. Wait, no, stop. Number 3 doesn't have a prize.
Number 3 does not have a prize.
there's something?
And now.
Yeah, I know. Mom's not properly explaining how this works. I don't know if it'll record it well, but it's very, yeah, I don't know. It's a very strange optical optical illusion. Yes, it is. Wow. See, that motor is on a vise right there, and the vise is pushing the casing. Slowly squishing itself to death. How fast is it going to happen? Half a centimeter every year. That's very slow. It's a startle thing.
Do it. It's not that scary.
They're in the game lab at the moment. Well, I decided I don't want to play because I'm getting hungrier and I'm getting a little crankier.
What's your button?
This is fascinating to film.
Weird. I did pull it down.
Well, then try a different color.
I'll try orange.
Now this one is super interesting. Every second it'll flash and something will change. Sometimes it's noticeable. Sometimes it's hard to. I'll show it for a little while. Is there a time for, yeah. See, that time you could probably notice something. It's so subtle. But if I remove the flashes, oops, that was the last change. Let's try that again, because it's like, yeah, it doesn't look like anything's changing. This is actually what's going on. And this has been sponsored by Marvel.
Soda Shark Knitting. Okay, now, did I say candy?
Yeah.
You did.
Did I say bread?
No.
No.
Did I say sweet?
Yeah.
No.
Did I say I?
No.
Yes.
Yes. Did I say lamp?
No.
No.
Did I say needle?
No.
No. That's funny.
You did that. That's true. It says many people think they heard sweet and needle, but they didn't. So you did think you heard sweet. What's going on? Research by cognitive psychologists has shown that words and ideas stored in our memories are linked together in a network. That means that when you hear one word, it may activate a related concept. For example, for many people, the words candy and chocolate are associated with the word.
2, 1, go into It's Mom's having meatballs, Aaron's having home fresh made pizza, and I'm having a chicken salad, orange, not apple, and an old fashioned smoked. Oh yeah, you already saw the smoked part. That's the relaxing lunch before we head back.
We already got, Daddy had already had 20,000 steps.
Yep. Alright, we're back at the Exploratorium. That's actually really cool. I'm glad we stopped at that. Shannon, come back here. Or is that cool too? This is actually pretty neat. Yeah, it is.
That's a volcano.
Yeah. Now it's settling. Now it's gonna explode! Okay, that's pretty cool. You see how the...
Magma.
Yeah.
There's rocks. Lava.
Oh, and here, this is a cool... Yeah, we see that. Keep walking, keep walking. Even though it's cool, we can't look at it.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
You can play with it! Usually you can't touch it.
Touch it there.
Touch it! Make it move. Push it all the way to the side. Break it up a bit. Usually you can never touch it. It's always behind and then
Yeah, it's just sand.
Stuff. No, but this is the
Yeah, I know.
iron oxide stuff. It's like a magnet.
Bubbly.
I've seen this before.
Okay, keep going. Alright, you don't need to watch us play with all the random crap. I don't think it's... Oh, it's doing something right here. But you don't need to see it. Oh, wow, that's cool. Did you mess it up? What? Did you mess up the slinky? Oh, Mama love this one. May I try?
Actually, I think it needs to go up.
No, other way. Just a bit higher, no too high. Aaron did it. Yeah. Oh, one more try. It opens in times on the hour. Is it showing the time?
It's 4. That's like 6 of the hour.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. It just popped open because it's a full pot. It's the year 2013. That's neat. What about robotic bird? Yeah, go ahead. That's weird.
Alright, thank you.
Of course you're not going to do it for me. Oh, an hour and a half. That is so cool. You look like you have stumps for arms. Oh, there you go.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, that is very cool.
That solar thing.
That's what I'm saying. We got to keep moving. We can always come back on the way out. We have to get to the end.
Well, there's outside too.
Yeah, I know. That's why I keep saying move, move, move. I need a cattle. I need a cattle prod. Yeah, I don't think that'll work well on a camera, but that's.
Oh, it looks like you're getting really close.
Right, yeah.
It looks like your reflection is getting really close to
Yeah, I don't think. I think you need. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks like you just headbutted yourself.
So weird.
And now you're like, get close to get far away.
Do that again.
See me?
Yeah, do it again.
This one's the closest to erupting.
You know which one we have the best chance of watching erupt? None of them, because we'll keep going. This is actually pretty cool. How high the tide was and is at certain times.
So low tide's actually like
Yeah, it's twice a day.
it just looks like normal.
Yeah, it's just regular glass until you take it to here, boom!
Can you see that on camera?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
And then, there we go. Neat. It's so neat, we have to move past it quickly. Oh. Oops! Didn't mean to record it, I'm recording upside down. I see that thing. Yeah. Well, they do. Rainbow.
Okay, I see.
Alright. No one to blame but yourself. They don't seem to be resisting any motion. They look fine to me. Oh, wait a minute. Here it goes. Whee! Let's go around in circles. It's go time. Okay, it's
So weird.
okay, I'm relaxed. We're done. No, it's go time again. Woo! Woo!
You're fine with that, but you're mad about Penguin's being.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that weird?
Whoa.
But you don't know how deep it is. I'm guessing it's at least.
One side.
But they're not all the same level.
Roughly. 22 times 8. That's one. That's just one. At least probably 500. More probably more.
Probably more. Alright, we just passed a Hard Rock down there. Over there's a Bubba Gump, a Lids, a 7D Ride the Flyer trademarked show thing. We are Heart in the tourist trap. We're in the belly of the beast. Is this the wharf? I sure hope not. I should hate this, but I actually kind of dig it. We're going towards somebody. There's a bunch of people screaming, and we're going towards the screams. That's a pro tip. If you ever hear a lot of people screaming, you always go towards it, not away. Magnet stores. That's cute. Yet another Dryers location. Seriously, there's 3. The world's first magnet store. Out of all the magnet stores in the world, established in 1986. Really? Not 1886 for the world's first? There it is. Ellis Island. Many great men and women traveled far to pass through into there. Surprisingly, not many people left Ellis Island, but I'm not sure for the reason why it's that. But that's just beauty. We left the pier, and that wasn't the wharf, we're pretty sure. I can't cheat that, I'm not looking. We're at Pier 41 right now. Still very much tourist town. That's okay. Enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
An old-timey arcade. Oh, that's cool. So, as rare as they are freaking everywhere.
Yeah, I want to go.
I should have brought my quarters. Yeah, I know. But I'm just saying I have like $7, $8 in quarters. Yeah, for laundry that I haven't used. Kind of look like they're supposed to be skeletons. How dusty they are. Does it even work? Go ahead.
Insert, it says twist knob, insert 9. You did it wrong.
He inserted 9. Oh.
No, he didn't read the directions.
Oh well. We have to wait for somebody to spend 75 cents. And then we can enjoy it. Because we're poor. It's cute. No, thank you.
We're Pirates of the Caribbean.
Really?
Yeah. Well, you
Well.
must
This ultimate test right here is Aaron. Press the button, Aaron. Press the button, Aaron. Press the button, mommy.
Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Here we go, come on. Time's a wasting. Let's listen to the barbershop work. I've seen enough. Yet another guillotine one. Is that supposed to be Santa? Yeah? That's funny, that one guy's only checking the top part of the northern hemisphere. Well, quarter didn't go far on that one. I was telling Shannon we should probably, we're in the arcade for a little while, so we should go out and head to the wharf. Little did I know, we were in the wharf. Definitely not what I was expecting. Ooh, look what's down that one block. But I don't think we'll eat there. No. The wharf itself, I was expecting underwhelming, but I wasn't expecting that underwhelming. So that's something. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna look over here at this. Cool. Unfortunately, I can't zoom in on this. Oh, there just goes a small trolley and a Ghirardelli. That's pretty cool. It started here. I don't know if they still make chocolates. But we're enjoying our time at the piers. Well, the piers and the wharf, singular. Great town. Well, we made it up here to the top. The Ghirardelli sign, Ghirardelli, whatever. We're in Ghirardelli Square. That's pretty cool, actually. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I mean, I've seen this picture before, but I didn't know, like,
I didn't know it was a thing.
where it was.
Or that it's a thing. I thought it was just a sign. Well, I'm almost done with my good hamburger. We're at Mel's Drive-In. This is a fun little...
And this is actually the original, not the original location, but San Francisco is the original location, and I don't think that original location exists anymore.
Yeah, it's surprising. I thought it was LA, but nope, it's San Francisco.
That's cool.
It's very cool. I like diners, and this is the prototype for the, you know, the nostalgic...
Super close to our hotel.
Oh yeah, just down the street. But yeah, we rested for about an hour, then we ate, and now we're gonna go back to the hotel to rest for real.
Yay.
Yay. And we're leaving Mel's. That was a good dinner. That was fun. That was fine. It was fun to be in there.
Yeah.
I'm glad we went to it. And now we are heading back to the hotel. It's about 5 miles that way, then we cross 2 miles the other way, and then we'll be there. It's your, oh, you already took it out, your pocket sandwich?
I didn't want to ask for a box for this bun.
So how much mayo is in your pocket right now?
Not that much.
You got coffee on your shirt, mayo in your pocket.
It just feels a little wet. My missing hat.
There we are at the Surf Motel.
This morning I woke up at
I'm sorry?
This morning I woke up at 5 a.m. and I was hungry, so I took my salad out of the fridge. But you have it set so cold that it was frozen. The lettuce was frozen, the tomatoes were frozen, the chicken was frozen. So I ate frozen chicken. And then I waited till my salad defrosted and I ate the rest when I woke up.
I almost time-lapsed this wrap-up video. That would have been actually kind of funny. It was like, and you can't hear us, which is probably for the best for you guys. But tomorrow we are going to be using time-lapse because we're actually going to be driving. Today we didn't do it once.
I know, it's nice.
It is nice.
We did a time-lapse at our feet though.
How many steps do we end up with? That's like 34?
I have 33,000.
Yeah, I think I'm at 34. So it was a good day. It was really nice. I'm glad we walked those 34,000 steps, 33,000 steps. We got a real feel for Chicago. We got a real feel for Chicago walking around San Francisco.
I almost called it San Diego.
Oh, see, there you go.
Messed up.
Yeah. But that was fun, as you could see. The wharf was disappointing, as you saw. And tomorrow...
The museum was awesome, though.
Oh, the Exploratorium was really good. It's a number 2 or number 3 science museum.
Chinatown is crazy big.
Yeah, crazy. Yeah, busy and big, but it's cool.
Next time when I come to San Francisco, I'd like to go to Union Square.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to hit it this trip. And yeah, that's a good idea. But tomorrow we are going to be on the road again. And you'll see
Not
where...
until the evening.
Yeah, afternoon, evening. But until then, Aaron, why don't you go ahead and press that button, which is weirdly located on the camera. But go ahead and press it anyway.